Hi, I'm Patrick Cappiello from Gilt Restaurant. Today we're going to talk about why we smell wine. So one of the reasons why we smell wine is to, first of all, detect any sort of flaws in the wine, whether it's a cork taint or an oxidation issue or a materization issue. Smelling wine, I think sometimes people can be a little bit too aggressive when they do it. So I always tell people to smell wine like you were smelling a flower. So kind of just lightly breathe in through your nose. Sometimes I think keeping your mouth open when you're breathing in will allow you to not pull too hard. It just allows you to kind of get the top aromatics, the more subtle aromatics in the wine. And then as you work your way in a little closer, you can breathe a little bit fuller and then also get some of those more rich aromatics as well. But the thing you're looking for, again, a flaw first, but then after you've established the wine's good, the most important thing is to smell it, to enjoy it, and to experience what's so explosive about wine tends to be very much about the way the wine smells. Thanks for watching. Cheers.